back to our YouTube channel. Today we're making a super moist vanilla cake.
Yes, we are going to be making vanilla cake from scratch. So if you want to learn how to make it.
Vamos a la cocina.
No, ya estamos en la cocina. Quédense en la cocina.
So the ingredients are eggs, milk, melted butter, vanilla, sour cream, sugar, flour.
And in there I have the combination of baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be mixing all of our dry ingredients together first, and then mix our wet ingredients. Okay, so these are our dry ingredients, and we're gonna mix them all together in here. Pour that in there, Ali. Make sure everything comes out.
Oh. So guys,
and then we are going to be sifting everything together. So,
do I start?
Wait, let me pour some in and then you could start.
This is way more harder than I thought, guys.
Wow, Ali.
Maybe it's better off if you do it. So guys, the reason why my mom's doing the sifting is because I was having kind of trouble and I got it all over my arm and my hands, and it created a mountain.
Ingredients are sifted. We're gonna combine all of our wet ingredients, and we're gonna combine the butter.
Whoa.
Okay. And then get a spoon so you can scoop out the sour cream.
Okay.
Get a spoon.
I'll get a spoon. Got a spoon, guys.
Okay, scoop out the sour cream in there. All of it. Because then I need to measure. Just dump it. Ali, just get close and dump it out. There you go.
Oh. Guys, you guys didn't know
Scrape it all out. Everything.
If you guys didn't know, I kind of do like sour cream. Like.
There you go. Okay, now hold it there. Hold it. I'm gonna hold it straight. I'm gonna use it to measure out the milk. Because we need a half a cup. Okay, dump it in there. Okay.
What do I do?
Now crack the 3 eggs. No shells, please.
I'll try not to. Oh, no.
It's okay, you got it. You got it. There you go.
Sorry, guys, for that.
It's okay, she's got it. She knows how to do this. Okay, one more.
Guys, if you guys hear some noises in the background, we're heating up the oven.
Yep. Do you know what degrees we're heating it up to?
No.
340 degrees.
340
Okay,
degrees.
now hold
Hold the phone.
hold a teaspoon. No, over the. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, go. One more.
2. Now we're gonna mix.
Yes, incorporate it all very well. Now we're gonna combine our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients.
I'll help with this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, guys. Guys, this feels awkward.
Okay, that's good enough. And then mix it all. Be careful
Let
and
me
gentle.
get in here.
Okay, that looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get in here with a spatula, scrape the edges, and give it one last whisk. And then it'll be ready for our mold so we can put it in the oven.
Yep. So my mom is now going to be pouring the batter in.
Yeah, as you can see, we already dusted, we prepped our pan, we buttered it and dusted it with flour.
And I did.
Now we are going to.
And I did kind of a taste test.
On the batter.
Yeah. So guys, I technically don't think this is gonna work, but my mom does think it's gonna work.
Yeah,
so,
this is our first time using a silicone mold.
So
Silicone. I don't know. Whatever. Tomato. But yeah, this is our first time using it, so we're not sure how it's gonna work. So.
And it's our first time making a cake, so. And yes, I'm the one holding the camera.
Okay. So now let's get it in the oven.
Ooh, it's so hot.
We're gonna bake it for anywhere between 35 to 45 minutes. We're gonna start checking it at 35. Okay, see you guys then. Okay, so our cake has finished baking. As you can see, I already sliced it in half and I'm cooling it here, letting it cool a little bit more before I start putting it together. I'm gonna make it with a strawberry filling. I chopped some strawberries and then I added 2 tablespoons of sugar to them, and I let them sit in the sugar for a while. I'm straining it, and I'm gonna use that juice. I'm gonna add it to the actual cake, and then I'm gonna use the strawberries in the filling. I also whipped up a really quick batch of cream cheese buttercream. I didn't even use measurements or anything. I just eyeballed everything, and this is what I have right here. So we're gonna start putting it together very quick.
now we're going to be eating the cake.
That's so good.
Really good.
I like the texture of the cream and the strawberries. So good. Very moist.
Say hi. Say thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank
Thanks
you
for
for
watching.
watching.
Bye.
Bye.